Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So this is going to be a video based around building a trauma kit. Now this is a series of videos. This is the first one. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting off at the very budget level and then working my way up. Now everything in this video is available from Reflex Medical. I'm just going to throw that out there straight away. They are my go-to company for purchasing medical supplies, and I've also got a deal with them where any of my followers that use the code SurvivalDads get 10% off. So I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below. With that out of the way, I'll talk you through why I've chosen just these two items as my basic level kit. Okay, so first things first is going to be a pair of nitrile gloves. Nitrile over latex, simply because some people have allergies to latex. So with nitrile, you can't really go wrong. I'm going to be avoiding the tactical black because it doesn't show up blood very well. So blue or white, definitely the way to go. Next up is going to be a trauma dressing. Now I've got two options here, either the Olay or the tea-free trauma dressing. So the reason why I've chosen these two dressings, I'll actually quickly give you the prices really quickly. The tea-free comes in at £9.40 and the Olay comes in at £10.20 at the time of recording. So the reason why I've chosen these two dressings is because they're multi-purpose. So a lot of first aid kits, they carry something like this. So this is compressed gauze. This can be used for wound packing, for wiping pooled blood so you can get a better view of what's going on, or for just standard bandaging. But with these two dressings, they actually comes with a very large amount of compressed gauze as like an extra bonus feature, as I've demonstrated in the tea-free video, so you may want to check that out. But like I said, both the Olay and the tea-free, if I just open this up, both have a large amount of gauze. So basically what you're doing is you're getting more bang for your buck. If you have a very large injury, you can use obviously both parts of the dressing on that wound, but if you have multiple, you can use the gauze from that perhaps for a junctional wound, and the trauma dressing for a kind of more common wound like an arm or a leg kind of extremity kind of thing. So the multi-functionality of that is definitely why I chose that. Also the prices. These two are battle-proven, reliable dressings and have saved countless lives all over the world. Okay, so that is basically my entry-level trauma kit as it is. So one of these dressings and at least one pair of nitrile gloves. So the reason why I've chosen this is basically for the best value for money and the best bang for buck. This is definitely a modular system, so what you can do is perhaps if you are on a budget, you can buy one thing a month to build up quite an extensive kit. So the fact that these dressings both have that multi-functionality to them, they're decent trauma dressings, battle tested. Also you have the compressed gauze, which is really useful for those junctional areas or for perhaps treating a secondary injury. It's really cool features and definitely makes it into this kit. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these or building your own kit, definitely head to Reflex Medical. I will put a link in the description below. Be sure to use the discount code SurvivalDads. It's good enough for 10% off. Already they've got great prices, but who's going to say no to 10% off? So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this. I will be making more videos on this series soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.